Ever wondered how to create the perfect cut crease look? Today, we're unveiling the secrets behind this stunning eye makeup technique. Imagine starting with a fresh, clean eyelid, ready to become a canvas for your artistry. The first step is to moisturize and prime your eyelids. This not only hydrates your skin, but also provides a base for the eyeshadow to cling to, ensuring longevity for your masterpiece. Next, sweep a neutral eyeshadow across your entire lid. Think of this as setting the stage for the dramatic performance to come. Now, the real magic begins. With a matte eyeshadow shade slightly darker than your skin tone, define your crease using a small, precise brush. This is where you sculpt the depth and dimension of your eye. Then it's time to cut the crease. Apply a concealer or eyeshadow primer on the eyelid, covering it up to the point where you want to define the crease. This step carves out the crease, accentuating the contrast between the lid and the crease. After that, blend the crease line gently with a clean brush. This ensures a seamless transition between the crease and the lid, creating a smooth gradient effect. Moving on, apply your chosen eyeshadow color on the lid, over the concealer or primer. Pat it on for intensity and to really make those colors pop. If you're feeling adventurous, add a shimmer shade to the center of the lid. This gives a pop of dimension, catching the light beautifully. Then glide your eyeliner along the upper lash line. Whether you prefer a classic line or a dramatic wing, it's your choice. Don't forget the lower lash line. Apply eyeshadow or eyeliner to connect it with the upper eyeliner, especially if you've created a wing. The final touch, mascara on your lashes. For extra drama, consider adding false lashes. Lastly, clean up any fallout or sharp edges with a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover or micellar water. And there you have it, the perfect cut crease look. Remember, practice makes perfect and each eye shape is unique, so feel free to adjust these steps as needed. To recap, you start with prepping your eyes. Apply a base eyeshadow, define the crease, cut the crease, blend the crease line, apply lid eyeshadow, add detailing, apply eyeliner, define the lower lash line, finish off with mascara and lashes, and finally, clean up. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.